Thank you, Laura. Coffee is one of the world's largest commodities. The coffee shop industry in the US alone includes over 20,000 stores with a combined annual revenue of about 11 billion. This means that America not only loves their coffee, they need their coffee. This is an industry that isn't ever going to change. Consumers are going to keep coming back for more, and there are many obvious reasons as to why the corporate coffee industry dominates, including places such as Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, Dutch Bros, Peet's, so on and so forth. Today I want to talk to you guys a little bit more about why choosing a corporate coffee shop can benefit you over choosing a local coffee shop. First and foremost, corporate coffee shops are extremely easily accessible. You probably see them on every single corner in your hometown or really anywhere you go. They're very easy to find. They have usually big parking lots, making it easy for their customers to get there. And they have big and spacious lobbies with lots of seating, making it easy for people to stay all day and get work done, or even meet a friend for coffee, or even just sit and enjoy some alone time with a book. Are you ever in an extreme time crunch, but you're also not willing to give up your daily cup of coffee? I know I am, but the good news is corporate coffee shops move super quickly. Although there is less craft time and it does make the coffee a little bit more generic, it does make the coffee cheaper, which is another positive. It's still pretty high quality coffee in most coffee shops, and they're usually willing to accommodate to any dietary or allergy needs that you may have. Corporate coffee shops make it easy to choose them over anything else through their competition. This means that usually they're offering special offers, seasonal items, they give outstanding service, they have a really clean environment, very welcoming. They also include things like a short waiting time, they give you loyalty programs, premium, and last but not least, they have premium locations such as in retail centers and university campuses for students like us who just need that coffee to get through this semester. The bottom line is, if you're looking for a generic and quality cup of coffee and you're not super picky and you want your coffee made quick and cheap, corporate coffee is definitely the correct choice for you. And now, on the opposite end of the spectrum, I'll hand the cup over to Cassie, who's going to tell you a little bit more about local coffee chains. Thanks, Cassie.